Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things, all sorts of things. I also like to vlog vacations and I like to vlog and review restaurants all around the world. With that being said, I had actually already opened this box. It kind of crapped out on me. But I have for you Slay Glam Box. And just a couple of quick disclaimers. I do have a giveaway going on right now. I will post that link down below. I have an announcement for a future giveaway. I will link that down below. And we are currently into my birthday month. So we will see and we will just roll with the punches on how uploads go this month. So bear with me. Okay, so this box is late. Most people have unboxed this already on their channel. I actually forgot that I ordered it. I ordered it on the 15th of April and I remembered last Friday and I'm like, hey, I haven't gotten that box yet. I was watching somebody else unbox it and I was like, dang. So I got on and I checked the tracking and a shipping label was created on the 19th of the month, but the box just sat there. So I contacted customer service, or I'm assuming what is actually the owner, at like 10 p.m. Sunday night. And I emailed her, I'm like, hey, I ordered a 3-month subscription of this and I haven't gotten my April box. And she got back to me within like 15, 20 minutes of me sending that email. And I'm like, dang. So she apologized for it being late and she said that my May box would be on time. So fingers crossed for that. But let's go ahead and get into this box. So again, it's Slay Glam Box. I will put on the screen how much it cost. I think it was around $18 after tax and shipping and all that jazz. But I'll put it on the screen just as a reminder to everybody. And if I have a link, I will also put that, like an affiliate code, I will put that down below for you guys. So the first thing is a Kalin Cosmetics Contour Duo Brush. And unfortunately, I do not like double-ended brushes, so I'm going to keep this in its package, and I'm going to pass it along because I keep all of my brushes standing upright in a cup with my bristles pointing up, and I would prefer to keep it that way. So I will pass this along to somebody that could get some use out of it. And did I say that was $24? $24. The next thing I am pulling out here is a Kalin Contour Palette for $52. And again, I will pass this along, but this is what it looks like on inside. It has cream contour and what looks like probably highlighting, and it has a primer and a finishing powder. I don't contour, for one, and for two, I don't use cream products. So that's just, it's not my thing. I'm gonna pass it along. The next thing is a Steve Laurent liquid lipstick for $22 in the color Lilac. It's a pretty tiny print, so I am not sure, but I did swatch it a little earlier. That's what that looks like, and that's a really pretty color, so I will keep that. The next thing is a clear eyeliner, and you can put this over, I guess, any eyeshadow powders or any sort of powder to achieve any color eyeliner. This retails for $10. I don't know how this would differ from, I mean, I've never seen anything like this, so I don't know how this would differ from just wetting your eyeliner brush and sticking it in an eyeshadow to make a darker, wetter look, I guess. So I don't know. I will keep it to try to figure it out. And then the last thing is Bella Pierre Get the Look eye kit, and it retails for $50, and I got it in purple. Now, I think some people have said that they could pick the color of this. I was not aware of that, so obviously that didn't happen for me, but purple is fine. And it comes with the instructions on the back, and it comes with a primer. I'm not going to open these because I don't want to make a mess, but it comes with a primer. It comes with 2 shades of purple, a dark and a light. And it also comes with a highlighter that actually looks duochromatic. So that's cool. I don't know if you can tell just by the little holes in there how it looks duochromatic, but that's cool. And I will keep that. So that is Slay Glam Box for the month of April. I am sorry that this is so late. Hopefully May won't be late. So you guys have a great day. Bye.